Hi there, welcome to Shahy's Easy English, and I'm your English teacher Shahy. Okay, so today we will be looking at ways to say thank you. When do we say thank you? When somebody does something for us, okay? When we say, oh, thank you for doing that for me, okay? So here is a nice list of common ways, the ways that we use, and it may be different depending on where somebody lives. And the way they say thank you. So here is my list. Are you ready? I hope so. So let's do this. So number one is just thank you. Simple way to say thank you. Okay. Number two is thank you so much. Thank you so much. You don't have to do these facial expressions. Thank you so much. But you can if you want to. Number three is thank you for. Thank you for. Thank you for something is you are telling the person, thank you for doing something for me. Thank you for this thing. For example, thank you for helping me with my homework. Thank you for coming with me to the doctors. Thank you for dropping me off to school. Okay, thank you for helping me out with my problem. So maybe they share some information with you that you didn't know about, okay? And you can say, thank you for sharing. Thank you for spending time with me. Thank you for practicing English with me. So thank you for, and then you have to say why you're saying thank you to them, okay? Whatever it is that they did for you. Number four is, I can't thank you enough. Wow. I can't thank you enough for doing that for me, okay? I can't thank you enough for helping me finish that report. Number five, I owe you, which means I need to return this favor to you. I need to do something for you too, okay? And number six is, oh, you're too kind, okay? You're too kind. Look, I've got some lunch for you too. I'm going to get the lunch today. I'm going to pay for it. No, don't. No, it's my treat. I'll get it. Oh, you're too kind. Thank you. Sometimes we say, you're a star, you're a lifesaver, and we also say you're an angel. All these things mean, thank you, you are a wonderful person. I couldn't have done it without you, which means that if you didn't help me, I wouldn't have been able to achieve whatever it is, okay? Thank you for helping with my homework. I couldn't have done it without you. Okay, so the next one is, thank you. I'm really grateful for your help. Okay, to be grateful means you appreciate someone. So you can say, oh, I really appreciate it. We also say, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And if there's anything I can do for you, please don't hesitate. To hesitate is like, shall I ask? Shall I not ask? Shall I ask? To hesitate, okay? Don't hesitate, just ask me. Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it. And if there's anything I can do for you, please don't hesitate. Okay, if you are writing an email, you can say, many thanks. This is many times it's used in an email. Many thanks, okay? And then you sign off, or, kind regards, Shahy, kind regards, whatever your name is. Yeah, so many thanks is usually more formal than the other ones. So what do we say to somebody when they say to us, thank you? So here are some replies, okay? Some people do say, you're welcome. Yes, they do say it. And they may say at work, oh, you're very welcome. Or they might just say, you're welcome. Number two, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Number three, no problem, or no worries. It's a pleasure. That means I like doing that for you. I like doing it for you. It's a pleasure. I'm happy to do that for you. Don't mention it, okay? Which means it doesn't matter. Don't mention it. Some people say mention not, which is incorrect. So don't say mention not. It's don't mention it. it was the least I can do, okay? It's not a big thing, it's just something small that I've done for you. The next one is happy to help or glad to help, which means I like to help you. No biggie. No biggie means it's nothing big, it's no big issue. We can say my pleasure, or we can say the pleasure's all mine. There are two things that we can say. And they both mean I'm really happy to help you. Okay. The last one is glad to help. Glad to be of help. We can say this also. Okay, so we're at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. I hope to see you soon. Take care and leave your examples below because I love reading your comments. Okay, take care and bye for now.